Krishna, Bhajo Radhe Shyama, Bhajo Radhe Krishna, Bhajo Radhe Shyama, Radhe Krishna, Bhajo Radhe Shyama, Bhajo Radhe Krishna, Bhajo Radhe Shyama, Bhajo Sita Rama, Bhajo Shriya Rama, Bhajo Sita Rama, Bhajo Shriya Rama, Bhajo Sita Rama, Bhajo Shriya Rama, Bhajo Sita Rama, Bhajo Shriya Rama. Soham Soham, Soham Shivoham, Soham Soham, Soham Shivoham, Soham Soham, Soham Shivoham, Soham Soham, Soham Shivoham, Soham Soham, Soham Shivoham. Om 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 नमो भगवते शिवानंदाय। ओम नमो भगवते शिवानंदाय। ओम नमो भगवते शिवानंदाय। ओम श्री सद्गुरु भगवान की जय, गंगा माई की जय। हरि ओम। सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। Let us practice a set of yogasanas and pranayamas. Get ready. Spread the blanket. Start with Tadasana. Keep the toes together, heels together. Tighten the ankles and relax. Tighten the calf muscles and relax. Tighten the knees and relax. Tighten the hip muscles and relax. Keep the spine erect, shoulders even. Keep the palms by side of thighs. Neck erect. Close your eyes. Concentrate on the toes and heels. Due to equal distribution of weight on the toes and heels, harmonious flow of prana in all parts of the body, you may feel a slight tilt in the body for the first few seconds, then it will be completely relaxed. Hear all the sounds and be one with nature. From Tadasana, Get ready for Trikonasana or triangle posture. Start with your right leg. 1. Keep your right leg separate from the left leg at a distance of 2.5 or 3 feet. Relax the legs. 2. Slowly raise your hands to the level of the shoulders. Look to the palms, right and left. Relax the hands. 3. Slowly bend towards right side. Try to keep the right palm near the right ankle. Keep the right knee straight without bend. 4. Bring the left hand parallel to the ground towards right side. Look forward. Concentrate on the spine with normal breathing. Gradually increase the duration to 2 minutes. 4. Slowly release the left hand. 3. Lift your right hand. 2. Drop the hands down. 1. Bring the right leg to its original position. Similarly, do it towards left side. 1. Left leg. 2. Raise the hands. Look to the palms. 3. Left palm near the left ankle. 4. Bring the right hand parallel to the ground towards left side. Look forward. Concentrate on the spine with normal breathing. Gradually increase the duration to 2 minutes. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Trikonasana, exercise the spine with lateral movement. Get ready for Sun Salutation or Surya Namaskar. Face towards east in the mornings and face towards west in the evenings, or you can face towards north according to your convenience. During forward bending, breathing out, while backward bending, breathing in. In position number 5, retain the breath. In position number 6, breathe out, touch the ground with 8 limbs. There is no need to take additional breath. Normal breathing. Do the Surya Namaskar. Get ready. 1. Press the palms to each other. 2. Slowly raise your hands. Keep the palms together. Body should be just like a half moon. 3. Forward bend. Separate the hands. Bring the palm by side of the ankles. Try to touch your forehead to the knees if possible, gradually. 4. Right leg backward. Right knee on the ground. Look up. 5. Left leg backward. Body should be straight line. Hold the breath. 6. Rest the knees, chest and forehead. 7. Lift your trunk up to navel. 8. Lift your waist up, press your head down. 9. Bring the left leg forward. 10. Right leg forward. 11. Raise your hands. 12. Namaskar. Om. Release the hands. Second Namaskar. 1, 2, 3. Left leg backward. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right leg forward. 9, 10. Left leg forward. 11. Raise your hands. 12. Namaskar. Om. Drop the hands down. Once again. 1, 2. Breathe in. 3rd. Breathe out. 4. Right leg backward. Breathe in. 5. left leg backward, breathe in the breath. 6. Sashtanga Namaskar, breathe out. 7. Breathe in. 8. Breathe out. 9. Left leg forward, breathe in. 10. Right leg forward, breathe out. 11. Breathe in. 12. Breathe out. Om, release the hands. Instead of numbers, I will repeat 12 names of the sun on your behalf. Please do this Surya Namaskar. Om Mitraya Namaha. Om Ravaye Namaha. Om Suryaya Namaha. Om Bhanave Namaha. Om Khagaya Namaha. Om Pushne Namaha. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Om Marichaye Namaha. Om Adityaya Namaha. Om Savitre Namaha. Om Arkaya Namaha. Om Bhaskaraya Namaha. Om. Do Savasana. Lie down on the back. Keep the palms by side of thighs. Neck erect. Close your eyes. After doing Surya Namaskar, 4, 6 or 12 according to your convenience, relax in Savasana. Lie down on the back. Close the eyes. Feel that heavy weight of the body resting on the ground. Concentrate on the toes. Slightly move all the toes in both the legs. Relax the toes. Concentrate on the soles. Feel a slight warmth there. Relax the soles. Concentrate on the heels. Heavy weight of the legs resting on it. Relax the heels. Feel up to heels, both the feet are completely relaxed. Concentrate on the ankles, heavy bones and muscles, relax the ankles. Feel up to ankles, both the feet are relaxed. Concentrate on the calf muscles, heavy muscles, weight of the legs resting on it. Relax the calf muscles. Concentrate on the knees, heavy bones and muscles. Relax the knees. Feel up to knees, both the legs are completely relaxed. Concentrate on the hip, heavy bones and muscles. Feel the weight of the body resting on it. Relax the hip, thigh muscles. Feel up to hip and the lower part of the body is completely relaxed. Mind should not have any control below the hip. Give auto-suggestion, let it go, and mentally disconnect yourself up to hip. Concentrate on the vertebra. Enter weight of the body resting on it. Relax the vertebral bones one by one. Slowly relax up to the neck. Concentrate on the stomach and relax the stomach muscles completely. Feel the slight movement of the abdomen due to slow breathing. Concentrate on the chest. Feel that the entire weight of the chest is resting on the ribs. Relax the ribs. Relax the chest. Relax the abdominal organs, intestines, liver, pancreas, kidneys and stomach. Relax the chest. Feel due to slow breathing there is harmonious movement of the lungs. Feel your entire chest is becoming very light. Concentrate on the shoulders. The heavy weight of the body will be resting on the back of the shoulders. Relax the shoulders, biceps, elbows, forearms, wrists, palms and fingers. Feel that both the hands are completely relaxed. Now concentrate on the neck. The heavy weight of the head is resting on the neck. Relax your neck. Slowly turn your head towards the right side. Slowly move it and bring it back to the center. Turn your head towards the left side and slowly roll it and bring it back to the center. Relax your neck muscles completely. Concentrate on the head. Relax the head. Feel the head is becoming lighter and lighter. Concentrate on the face muscles and relax the face muscles. Relax the chin. Relax the lips. Separate the lips slightly and relax them. Separate the tongue. Separate the two rows of teeth and relax them. Just loosen your tongue and then relax it. Gently smile and relax the cheeks. Concentrate on the nostrils. Breathe slowly and feel the slight movement of air through the nostrils. Relax the nostrils. Concentrate on the region of the eyes. Slowly, gently, partially open your eyes and look at the roof or sky. Close your eyes. Relax the eyeballs, eyelids and eyebrows. Also feel the optic nerve that connects the eyes to the brain center is relaxed. Feel a sense of serenity enveloping the region of the eyes. Concentrate on the ears. Hear all the sounds without resistance. Let any number of sounds come and go. Don't resist any sound. Don't verbalize the sound. Don't identify yourself with any sound. You can hear even far off distant sounds. Completely relax the ears. Concentrate on the forehead. Don't think about the past or plan for the future. Tell to your mind you are not going to do anything for another few minutes. Relax the forehead. Feel that the entire region of the forehead is becoming calm and serene. Concentrate on the crown of your head. Feel a slight warmth there. Feel that entire body from toes to crown of head is completely relaxed. Mentally look at the body as if you are looking from the roof. Look at the color of the clothes that which is on the body. Look at the bones from toes to the skull. Feel that all the joints are relaxed. Look at the nerves and muscles from toes to head. Concentrate on the space between body and earth. Even though body is on the earth, really it is moving in the space. Feel it is very, very light. No more stiffness, pressure or heaviness in any part of our body. Completely relax. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in, feel the spinal cord is stretched. Breathe out, feel it is relaxed. Breathe in, expand the lungs. Breathe out, empty the lungs. Concentrate on the throat center. Breathe in and breathe out. Do it 6 times. Breathe in, breathe out. 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 Then slowly move the toes. Slowly move the palms and fingers. Slowly and gently tilt your head. Keep the legs together. Slowly raise your hands. Keep it on the ground above the head, palms together. Slowly turn the body towards right side, keeping the legs on each other. Look up, entire body should be just like a bow. relax the body, bring it back to the center. Slowly turn it towards left side. Look up, tighten the body, slowly bring it back to the center. Bring the hands to the original position. Slowly get up and sit. Slowly stand up. Make a finger lock. Turn the palm towards the sky. Look up, stand up on the toes, drop the hand sideways. All these constitute Savasana. Savasana or relaxation is a combination of pose and meditation. Just before doing yogasanas and pranayamas, body and mind must be completely relaxed. Now get ready for Sarvangasana. Lie down on the back, keep the palms close to the thighs, legs together. Slowly breathe in, lift your head, lift your chest. Keep the palms in the middle of the spine. Press the chest to the chin. Adjust your legs, adjust your elbows. Body should be just like a candle. Close the eyes, concentrate on the throat center. Relax the legs, trunk and hip. Sarvangasana promotes the secretion of thyroid and parathyroid glands. Relax the body during the posture. Concentrate on the throat with normal breathing. Gradually, you can increase it to 3 minutes. Day by day, increase 1 second more. Slowly release the posture. Rest the palms on the ground without jerk, without bending the knees, without lifting the head. Slowly bring the legs to the ground. Then get ready for Matsyasana or fish posture. Those who can sit in Padmasana or Sukhasana. If it is difficult, you can do it by stretching the legs. Slowly go back by resting on the elbows. Bend the neck backward. Rest the crown of the head as back as possible. Keep the palms on the thighs. If it is in Padmasana, try to catch hold of the toes. Concentrate on the crown of the head, rear end of the spine, and upper portion of the lungs. In this posture, you can derive the benefit of Sirsasana as well as Sarvangasana. In Sarvangasana, there is a forward bend in the neck. In Matsyasana, you bend the neck as back as possible. Deep breathing in and breathing out will take place. Gradually increase the duration to 2 minutes. Now slowly release the posture. By giving pressure in the elbows, release the head, and with one breath, relax the body. After Matsyasana, do the Halasana or plow posture. Keep the palms close to the thighs. Those who are having cervical spondylitis, please avoid this posture. Concentrate on the spine, don't tighten the neck muscles. Get ready. Slowly breathe in, lift your legs up. Breathe out until legs touch the ground over the head. Concentrate on the spine with normal breathing. You can gradually increase it to 1 minute. In the beginning, you can do twice. Slowly come back. Breathe in, bring the legs up 90 degrees. Breathe out until legs touch the ground. Second time, slowly breathe in, lift your legs. Breathe out until legs touch the ground. Then slowly lift your hands. Stretch your hands up to the toes. Then make a finger lock. Keep your finger lock on the head. Concentrate on the spine with normal breathing. You can gradually increase the duration to 2 minutes. Once you do it for 2 minutes, you can do it only once. Now slowly release the posture. Bring the hands to the original position. Slowly breathe in, lift your legs up. Breathe out until legs touch the ground. Slowly turn your head towards right and left. Relax the neck muscles and back muscles. Slowly get up and sit. Get ready for Paschimottanasana. Stretch the legs. Keep the palms on the knees. Slowly move forward. Catch hold of the big toe. Try to touch your forehead to the knees. Those who got cervical spondylosis, don't exert too much. Don't give pressure on the neck muscles. Slowly breathe in and come up. Second time, slowly move forward, catch hold of the big toe. Concentrate on the back muscles. Slowly come back. You can gradually increase the duration, 2 minutes. Then lie down on the back. With one breath, relax the body. Then turn to right side. Get ready for Bhujangasana or Cobra posture. Keep the palms close to the chest, toes pointing downwards, heels together, forehead on the ground. Slowly breathe in, lift your head, lift your chest, lift your trunk up to navel. Concentrate on the rear end of the spine. Slowly breathe out, release the posture. Second time, I will repeat Om, assume the posture. Om. Concentrate on the rear end of the spine. Om. Minimum 3 times you can do this posture. Third time. Tones of the abdominal organs. It is very good for spinal disorders. Relax in Makarasana. Keep the right palm on the left shoulder, left palm on the right shoulder. Separate the legs, toes pointing outward. Makarasana is a relaxation. Normal breathing. Relax the hip muscles and neck muscles. The muscles that are put under severe strain demand relaxation and rest. It is Makarasana that promptly and efficiently ensures complete relaxation and perfect ease. Get ready for Shalabhasana or locust posture. Keep the clenched fist below the thighs. Elbows should be under the stomach. Keep the hands side by side under the body. Legs together. Relax the legs. Rest your head on the chin. Slowly breathe in. Lift your legs up as high as possible. Concentrate above the waist. Slowly release the posture. You can do it twice. After some time, increase the duration. Get ready. Second time. Shalabhasana tones the muscles of the abdomen, thighs and legs, aids digestion and relieves constipation. Relax in Makarasana. Get ready for Dhanurasana. Bend the legs at the knees, catch hold of the ankles. Pull your hands forward, push your legs backward, lift your head up, lift your legs up. Concentrate on the abdomen with normal breathing. Dhanurasana renders the spine supple and elastic, relieves tension in the back, improves digestion and promotes appetite. Slowly release the legs. Relax in Makarasana. Relaxing Savasana. With one breath, relax the body. Breathe out. Get ready for Chakrasana. Adjust the legs. Keep the heels by side of the hip. Keep the feet straight. Lift your hands. Keep the palms below the shoulders, fingers pointing towards the body. By giving pressure in the palms, lift the chest up. By giving pressure in the heels, lift your waist up. Concentrate on the entire back muscles, normal breathing. Gradually increase the duration, slowly come back. You derive the benefit of Bhujangasana, Shalabhasana, Dhanurasana in this posture. Relax in Savasana. Get ready for Ardha Machendrasana or lateral spinal twist. Stretch the legs. Start with your right leg. 1. Bend the right leg. Keep the right leg under the left leg. 2. Left ankle outside the right knee. 3. With your left hand, catch hold of the left toe. Right hand, catch hold of the left toe. Keep the left hand behind the trunk. Look to the left shoulder. Concentrate on the spine with normal breathing. You can gradually increase the duration. 4. Release the left hand. 3. Right hand. 2. Left leg. 1. Right leg. Now towards the left leg. 1. Left leg under the right leg. Right ankle outside the left knee. 3. With your left hand, catch hold of the right toe. 4. Keep the right hand behind the trunk. Look to the right shoulder. 4. Right hand. 3. Left hand. 2. Right leg. 1. Left leg. Then get ready for Yoga Mudra. Sit in Padmasana. If it is difficult, you can sit in any comfortable posture. Catch hold of the right wrist with the left hand behind the trunk. Breathe out. Do the 3 bandhas, Mula Bandh, Uddiyana Bandh and Jalandhar Bandh. Completely breathe out. Concentrate on the abdomen. If you want to release the posture, first release Jalandhar Bandh. Breathe in. While breathing in, release the Uddiyana Bandh and finally Mula Bandh. All the time concentrate on the abdomen. Second time you can do the Yoga Mudra. Relax. Do Sirsasana. Sit in front of the 4-fold blanket. Rest your elbows on the ground. Distance between 2 elbows should be 1 elbow. Make a finger cup. Adjust the little finger. Keep the crown of the head near the finger cup. Adjust the finger cup behind the head. Slowly lift the knees up. Lift your legs. Walk on the toes. Lift your legs will go up. Lift your knees. Adjust the legs. Concentrate on the spine with normal breathing. In the beginning, balance for a few seconds can gradually increase the duration. All the time concentrate on the crown of the head with normal breathing. In the beginning, much pressure should be on the elbows. Slowly release the posture. Adjust the clenched fist one over the other. Normal breathing. Slowly sit in Vajrasana. Stand up for a while. Do Tadasana. Once you perfect the Sirsasana, you can do it immediately after Shavasana. Then the sequence will come as per the book Practical Guide to Yoga. Now sit in Vajrasana. You can do the lion posture. Cross the ankles. Keep the palms on the knees. Relax the shoulders. Open the mouth. Protrude the tongue outside. Direct your gaze upward. Concentration above the neck. Slowly release the posture. This is very good for ears, nose and throat. More blood flows to the face muscles. Get ready for Mayurasana. Sit on your knees. Keep the palms towards your body. Adjust the palms. Bend the elbows. Rest the elbows on the navel. Adjust your body. Give much pressure on the toes. Adjust your head. Slowly move forward. Head will come up. Still move forward. Legs will come. Normal breathing. Once the legs come, stop. Concentrate on the abdomen with normal breathing. Slowly release the posture. Then do the camel posture. Sit on the knees, kneel down, separate the legs. Legs should be parallel to each other. Slowly bend backward, rest the palms on the heels, concentrate on the hip with normal breathing. This is one of the very good posture for backache, cervical and lumbar spondylosis. Slowly release the posture. Bring the neck along with the shoulders. Then sit in a comfortable posture. There are 4 sitting postures. Here Padmasana. Rest the wrists on the knees with Chin Mudra. If it is difficult, you can do the Siddhasana. Keep the heel near the scrotum. Adjust the toes. Rest your wrists on the knees. Siddhasana. You can do Sukhasana if it is difficult. Or you can do Vajrasana also. Any one of the comfortable sitting posture you can do. More important thing is spine, neck and head should be in one line when you do the pranayamas. Sit in a comfortable posture. Place the left wrist on the left knee with Chin Mudra. Lift your right hand. Bend the index and middle finger. Place the little ring finger on the left nostril. Thumb on the right nostril. Release the little and ring finger. 3 times breathe in and breathe out to left nostril. Then close the left nostril. Release the thumb. Breathe in and breathe out for 3 times. Then breathe in to left and breathe out to right. Do it 3 times. Breathe in to left and breathe out to right. Then breathe in to right and breathe out to left. Do it 3 times, please. This will clear the nasal passages, prepares the practitioner for doing further pranayamas. This is also taken as Nadi Sodhan Pranayama. Now get ready for second pranayama, Kapalabhati. Much importance is given for breathing out. Get ready. Start. Close your eyes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax with normal breathing. All the time concentrate on the skull. If at all, if there is any movement of the body, there should be slight contraction in the lower abdomen. All other parts of the body must relax. Second round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Week by week, add 10 expulsions more. Relax with normal breathing after each round. You can gradually increase it to 120 expulsions per round. Now third pranayama, Bhastrika. Concentration should be only on the abdomen. In the beginning, for a few days, you can keep the hand on the navel center. Then afterwards, you automatically concentrate on the abdomen. You must breathe out and breathe in. Get ready. Concentrate only on the abdomen. Breathe out, breathe in. 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 Breathe out, deep breathe in, chin lock. Rest the chin on the collarbone. Slowly breathe out, release the chin lock. Do it second round. Breathe out, breathe in. 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 Breathe out, deep breathe in, chin lock. Slowly breathe out, release the chin lock. Do it third round. Breathe out, breathe in. 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 Breathe out, deep breathe in, chin lock. Now we are doing 8 deep exhalation inhalation as one round of Bhastrika. Week by week, add 2 deep exhalation inhalation. After some months, you can do 30 deep exhalation and inhalation per round. Kapalabhati and Bhastrika pranayamas increases heat in the system. Immediately after these 2 pranayamas, one must do Sitali and Sitkari pranayamas. Now get ready for Sitali pranayama. Protrude the tongue outside, make it just like a tube. Open the eyes, breathe in through mouth and breathe out through nostrils. After breathing in, keep the tongue normally. If it is winter, you can do 10 times. In summer, you can do any number of times. Breathe in through mouth and breathe out through nostrils. Concentration on the heart center or lungs. Breathe in through mouth and breathe out through nostrils. Those who are not in a position to do the Sitali pranayam, they can do the Sitkari pranayam. Fold the tongue, let the tip of the tongue touch the upper palate, keep the teeth together, breathe in through mouth and breathe out through nostrils. This is known as Sitkari pranayam. Purifies the blood, removes heat from the system. In summer, you can do in any number of times. Now, after Sitali and Sitkari pranayamas, you can do the Ujji pranayam. This is one of the most important pranayamas. Breathe in and breathe out the nostrils. Concentrate on the throat center. Due to partial closure of the glottis, a sibilant sound, oceanic sound will come from the throat center. Relax the forehead, relax the crown of the head, shoulders and back muscles. Concentrate on the throat. Ratio for breathing in and breathing out should be 1:2. You can do this pranayam for any length of time. There is no time limit. Persons those are suffering from high blood pressure and heart troubles can also do this pranayam immediately after shavasana. In lying position, they must do this pranayam. After doing Ujjayi pranayam, we can do the Sukhapurak pranayam. Place the left wrist on the left knee, lift your right hand, bend the index and middle finger. The wrist should come to the level of the nostrils so that you may not exert pressure on the nostrils. Close the eyes, concentrate in between the eyebrows, breathe in to left without sound or force. Slowly retain the breath with chin lock. Slowly breathe out and release the chin lock simultaneously. Again breathe into right, retain the breath with chin lock and slowly breathe out through left nostril. Ratio should be 1:2:2. In the beginning, even though you got a capacity to breathe in for 6 seconds, when you do this pranayama, breathe in very less. 2 seconds you can do it, so that you may not exert pressure on the lungs. Even if you do 3 rounds or 12 rounds, you should not gasp for breath. All the time concentrate in between the eyebrows. Ratio in the beginning for breathing in, retention and breathing out should be 1:2:2. After 3 months of regular practice, you can increase the duration of retention 1:4:2. After some months, you can do the 3 bandhas, Mulabandh, Uddiyana Bandh and Jalandhar Bandh while doing this pranayama. All the time concentrate in between the eyebrows. After doing Sukhapurak pranayama, sit and relax for a while. You may take it as a sitting relaxation or meditation. Sit in a comfortable posture. Press the wrist on the knees or finger lock, whichever you feel comfortable. Close the eyes. Relax the ankles and toes, calf muscles and knees. Relax the thighs, relax the hip. Keep the spine straight. Relax the back muscles. Relax the shoulders. Relax the hands, palms and fingers. Relax the chest. Relax the neck muscles. Relax the face muscles. Concentrate on the blue color of the sky, sun color or moon color, whichever appeals to your mind. Or you can concentrate on any form of God that you may like most. Or concentrate on breathing process. Gradually increase the duration to half an hour or 1 hour according to your capacity and convenience. In the beginning, at least do it for 10 minutes. Be a witness to each and every sound and thought and completely relax. Give your attention to the silence between 2 sounds and gap between 2 thoughts. Feel you are becoming one with that infinite color, space, and you are becoming with the supreme silence or witnessing consciousness. Now let us conclude with prayer. Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
There are
many definitions of the word yoga. Yoga karmasu kausalam. Yoga is skill in action. While exercising the body, one can simultaneously relax the body and mind. Samatvam yoga uchyate. Yoga is harmony. It is introducing a state of harmony in every level of consciousness, namely physical, vital, mental, intellectual, and causal levels. Dukkha samyoga viyogam yoga samnitam. Yoga is a state of separation from union with pain. It means one can be free from all tensions. Yoga chitta vritti nirodha. Yoga is cessation of all mental modifications. When the mind is free from all modifications, it merges in its own essential nature, which is supreme consciousness. Hence, yoga is union of individual with the universal. Yoga alone can destroy all pains of body and mind. Yoga is a scientific way of living. Throughout the day, one will be in standing, sitting, or lying position. If one practices this sequence of yogasanas, pranayamas, and meditation daily, regularly, with faith and concentration of mind, relaxes the body and mind, surely one can have good health, peace, and success in every walk of life. Yoga is the art of introducing a state of harmony in every level of consciousness. It promotes the secretion of all the endocrine glands, prevents as well as cures many diseases of body and mind. Health is real wealth. Swami Shivananda said that essence of all scriptures and religions is be good, do good. By practicing yoga, one can be good and do good to others, bring peace to oneself, and be a well-wisher to all beings. Om.
गौरी गौरी गंगे राजेश्वरी, गौरी गौरी गंगे भुवनेश्वरी, गौरी गौरी गंगे माहेश्वरी, गौरी गौरी गंगे मातेश्वरी,
गौरी गौरी गंगे राजेश्वरी, गौरी गौरी गंगे भुवनेश्वरी, गौरी गौरी गंगे माहेश्वरी, गौरी गौरी गंगे मातेश्वरी,
गौरी गौरी गंगे महाकाली, गौरी गौरी गंगे महालक्ष्मी, गौरी गौरी गंगे पार्वती, गौरी गौरी गंगे सरस्वती,
गौरी गौरी गंगे महाकाली, गौरी गौरी गंगे महालक्ष्मी, गौरी गौरी गंगे पार्वती, गौरी गौरी गंगे सरस्वती।
माहेश्वरी जय मातेश्वरी, माहेश्वरी जय मातेश्वरी, माहेश्वरी जय मातेश्वरी, माहेश्वरी जय मातेश्वरी,
माहेश्वरी जय मातेश्वरी, माहेश्वरी जय मातेश्वरी, माहेश्वरी जय मातेश्वरी, माहेश्वरी जय मातेश्वरी।
ओम शक्ति ओम शक्ति ओम शक्ति ओम ब्रह्म शक्ति विष्णु शक्ति शिव शक्ति ओम आदिशक्ति महाशक्ति पराशक्ति ओम इच्छा शक्ति क्रिया शक्ति ज्ञान शक्ति ओम शक्ति ओम शक्ति ओम शक्ति ओम ब्रह्म शक्ति विष्णु शक्ति शिव शक्ति ओम आदिशक्ति।
तो नर डर जाता। ओम जय गंगे माता,
भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
शिवाय।